because you can't see my head if I stand up. But today we're going to be doing a really quick seated stress reduction class. And let's just make this quick and easy and get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to do a seated cat-cow. So crisscross applesauce, inhale, chest towards me, roll your shoulders back, exhale, spine, back wall. Inhale, and exhale. And on that exhale, leave your chin where it is. Bring your shoulders up by your ears and exhale them down your back. And just feel that nice stretch for 3, 2, 1. And come up. I just want you to look over to the right side for 3. Relaxing your shoulders. 2, 1. Gently move your head forward and to the other side for 3, 2, 1. Roll the shoulders back. Breathe. Roll them forwards. And breathe more. Okay, so we are going to do a butterfly, but it's going to be an open back one. So your hands are going to look like this. Your chest is going to be open. Your hips are going to be pressed forward. And we're just going to breathe here for 5, elbows bent, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shift your hips forward just a little bit. Grab a hold of those feet. Give them a little massage. And you can just gently fold over them. Shin comes to chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently roll up. And we're going to get on all fours for cat-cow. Fingertips spread really wide. Knees underneath hips. Inhale, open your chest for a really nice exaggerated cow. Exhale, curve your abdominal muscles are clenched. Inhale. And exhale one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Spread your fingertips wide. Downward dog. We're going to be here for 5 breaths. Spread your fingertips wide, remember, for 5, 4, you can walk your dog, 3, 2, 1. Come back. And we're going to do a quick bird dog. So extend your left foot like you're stamping it to the back wall. Inhale, right hand up. Look down at your mat for 3, 2, 1. Like this is distracting. Other side. For 3, 2, 1. Come directly into child's pose. This is a really nice variation, or hands by your side. Relaxing your shoulders. Breathe here. You can always place a block underneath your forehead. I don't know where my blocks are. Just observe your breath here. And and gently press yourself up. We don't have a lot of time. We're gonna do a seated breathing exercise. I call it Andrea's favorite. So we're gonna open our hands wide, point fingers to back wall, and come in. Sit up straight and tall, abs are nice and tight. Prayer position out in front of you. Exhale everything out of your mouth. We're gonna do this for 4 times. Inhale. Open your hands wide, fingertips to the back wall. Exhale. Breathe out of your mouth, slight curve in your spine. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Good job. I'm just kidding. I can't see you guys. Sorry. Interlace your hands above your head, your thumbs, and gently bend over to the right side. Keep your neck nice and long, looking at me for 3, 2, 1. Other side. 3, 2, 1. And rest your hands on your knees. We're gonna do our pranayama breathing exercise. Simple. I like to do the same one every time so you can practice it. In for 3, out for 4, sipping in that air and gently exhaling it. So we're slowing down our breath and we're extending our exhales. Wherever you are, exhale everything out of your mouth. Relax your shoulders. You can do this for 3 times. Inhale for 1, 2, 3. Filling your belly up. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to do legs up the wall. So bring your butt to your wall. This time we're going to be doing it a little differently. Back out a little bit. Can you see me? Yeah. And we're going to do a figure 4 stretch here. And just breathe here. You can flex, point your toe. But eventually just leave your top foot flexed. We're gonna take 3 deep breaths here, really sending our breath to our hips. Inhale. Exhale, let go of that resistance. 2. And 1. And gently release. Hug your knees into your chest, side to side, other side. Flex that foot back. For 3, 2, 1. And one of our last poses is just going to be this little bad boy here, which I love to do. It's kind of, I think it's called crocodile. Toes come together. Relax your forehead on your hands. Take a deep breath. Relax your forehead. Relax your jaw. Keep breathing. Relax the back of your neck. Relax your glutes. Relax your thighs. Take a deep breath. Relax your toes. Gently roll over your right side. Pause for like a breath here. And as you exhale, press yourself up to seated, where we're going to take our final 3 breaths together. Inhale your hands above your head. Look at your fingertips. And exhale into heart center for 3. It's just my pants. I've been eating nothing but cake. Okay. Inhale. Look up your hands. Exhale. Deepest breath of the whole day. Inhale everything in. And exhale, hands, heart center. Thank you so much for joining me tonight for class. Namaste. A few things. So I said I've been eating nothing but cake. Fluff Bake Bar is like, they have these oatmeal cream-filled cookies that you can order for delivery anywhere in the world. Fluff Bake Bar. I'll put a link at the bottom. Also, Red Dessert Dive. They have cookies baked into brownies, and they're delicious. Also, I'm wearing red lipstick in honor of a good friend of mine. I used to live in Puerto Rico, and she used to come to yoga class every day with red lipstick. And she just said it made her feel so good. And I mean, she was beautiful, but you know. So go and put on some red lipstick. Man, woman, I don't care. We don't judge here. Breathe. Just breathe. If you have any questions, please let me know. Again, my name is Esther Tell. My YouTube channel is Yoga with Esther. And if you enjoy my videos, you can hit the subscribe button. I feel so goofy asking you guys that because you're mostly my students or my friends that watch this. Anyway, I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you very